Hi there everyone, and welcome to day 11. So I'm wondering whether this one's going to be a mermaid or unicorn theme, so because there never seems to be any giveaway on the paper. So here we are. Ooh, definitely mermaid, I think, this one. So this one's a little bit deeper than some of the other ones that we've had. So we've got some beautiful rich colours in this one. So we've got the blues, all different shades of teals and blues, and then some little strips of pink as well, and then beautiful purples. So definitely a mermaid one again, and it's beautiful. So day number 11, I can't believe we're very nearly halfway through already, it's quite scary. But I've loved every single one of these so far and can't wait to see what the rest will bring. So that is the 11th. It's almost, I mean, it's definitely mermaidy, but it's almost got a bit of a spacey vibe to it as well, this one, with those colours. But yeah, gorgeous as always. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.